Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to make an Ezekiel grilled cheese sandwich with homemade sweet potato fries. So you ready? Let's get into this. For this recipe we need a medium-sized sweet potato, 2 slices of Ezekiel bread. We're using the ones with the sesame seeds on them. It comes out really nice for this sandwich. A little bit of softened butter, some sharp cheddar cheese, some shredded gouda cheese, a little bit of avocado oil, and our herb combination for the fries. In this we got a little bit of salt, pepper, parsley, paprika, and a little bit of grated Parmesan. Remember, if you want to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the fat, and the carbs. The first thing we're going to do is prepare the French fries. You can leave the skin on the sweet potato or you can take it off. It all depends on how you like your fries. I'm going to take it off, so we'll go ahead and peel that right off here. Once you have the potato skin off, we're going to cut this in half. And then also each one of these pieces we're going to cut in half lengthwise as well. Remember, when you're slicing stuff, you always have to work with a flat edge. This is sitting down like this, so it can't roll on me. If I were to cut this way, with this being round, you really run the risk of hurting yourself. Save yourself the aggravation and don't do that. And depending on the width of your sweet potato, you may have to cut it once lengthwise this way. Just be careful when you're doing this, not to cut your hand, because that will ruin your day. Now that you have those cut, we're going to cut them again lengthwise, just like this. You can make them as thick as you want. Don't worry, they don't all have to be perfect. Once you got those sliced, we'll go ahead and throw them into a medium mixing bowl here. Throw in our oil. Mix that oil around so it gets a nice even coat. You want to make sure that all of the bits of potato here get a little bit of moisture on them. Otherwise our herbs aren't going to stick. Then we can pour in our herbs. And again, we're going to mix those around to get a nice even coating. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Then we're going to open up our pressure cooker. And we're going to put these fries right on top of the crisping plate. Okay, we'll go ahead and set these in here. And you're going to want to try to make sure that you fan these out and just get one single layer here. You don't want to have too much stuff on top of other stuff. Otherwise, you're going to run the risk of it not quite crisping up all the way. And we don't want that. Then we'll go ahead and close this up. Turn on the pressure cooker. Make sure it is set to air fry. We'll set this to 390 degrees and we'll set the timer to about 15 minutes. Once you got that set, go ahead and push start. We're not going to do the sandwich until the fries are completely done because that only takes a couple of minutes and the fries can sit a lot longer than the sandwich can.
2,000 years later.
Alright, and once that gets done, go ahead and open this up. And those look mighty good. Now we're just going to put them aside while we work on our sandwich. Remember, don't just leave these in the pressure cooker, it's going to make them soggy if you do. Now that we have those French fries resting, we can work on the sandwich. We're going to use up about half of our butter on these 2 slices of bread. We're going to butter one side of each of the Ezekiel bread pieces, and this is going to be the side that faces out. So the cheese is actually going on this side. And we'll do that with the second one here, and we're going to save the rest of the butter for the pan. Now we're going to go ahead and set our burner to about a medium high. In my case, I'm going to do it probably at about a 7 there. And I'm going to go ahead and drop the rest of that butter in there. While that's heating up, I'm going to put all my cheese together here. You can layer these if you want to on the sandwich, but I just think it comes out nicer if you mix it up really good so you get a nice combination of flavors. Once you see the butter starting to pop like that, then we're going to go ahead and take our first layer of bread, butter side down, set it right on there. Going to load up our sandwich with our cheese. And then we're going to put our other slice on, butter side up, just like this. Because remember, we're going to have to flip this sandwich at some point. Now we're going to let it cook on that side just for a couple of minutes. Okay, once it's been a couple of minutes, we're going to go ahead and flip our sandwich. Well, you don't want to leave it on that side too long, otherwise you're going to end up burning your bread. When you flip this, just be careful not to lose all of your contents here. Over just like that. Okay, once it's been a couple of minutes, we can go ahead and pull this out of the pan, and then it'll be time to plate. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. You really can use any cheese you want, it's totally up to you. I just felt like the Gouda and the sharp cheddar really came together nice. Also, the Ezekiel bread crisps up really good. If you'd like some more information about the Ninja Foodi Pressure Cooker that we used in this video, we have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description of the video as well. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.